I'm Paul Tapier at Lund International's booth at 2017 SEMA show, along with my good friend Barry. And Barry is showing me everything about these Lund products, especially this, which you kind of described as something that's 2.0. You better explain.
Sure. So we have a very popular running board called the Summit Ridge.
Okay.
And it's been out there for years, but we felt that that style had become a little bit dated. So we went back to the drawing board. We've got a brand new styled board here, but we want to retain some of that, you know, I'll call it brand equity in the market with the namesake moniker of Summit Ridge.
Sure.
We're calling this the Summit Ridge 2.0. I like to nickname it the SR2.
Yeah, that's...
SR2 sounds pretty cool, but it's a great looking board and it's got an updated styling. A couple of neat features about this board in particular. We wanted to make it virtually corrosion proof, so what we did is we've got this board completely fabricated out of a 304 stainless steel polished finish, and if you want it black, the nice thing is you're still going to get it with a 304 stainless steel black powder coated.
Oh, that's outstanding.
Absolutely. The only other parts on the board really are the end caps and these step treads, and these little treads are individual, so if you did have one that would fail or break or crack or split, all you have to do is pop that one out. We will carry a component inventory, you snap in the new one and you're good to go.
Even better. I can't even do this justice, the two of us standing here, how terrific this looks. It's almost like 3D. We'll have to get some close-ups because it is really spectacular. And as far as, you know, those crummy climates some of us live in, how does this work out?
Absolutely, it's great. I mean, with the fact that the whole board is fabricated from 304, whether you want a polished finish or a black powder coated, we're going to offer both. It's a really unique board too in that it comes in 4 lengths. We've got a standard, extended, crew, and mega cab length. It goes from about 65 to 91 inches. It's got a universal mount on the bottom. The only thing discrete is going to be the panel mount, rocker panel mount that comes up on the backside, which will be, you know, brand and model specific. But the nice thing about that is if you did have a problem and you need to swap some things out, as long as that board length is the same, it'll make right up.
Pretty easy to install?
Absolutely. It's a turnkey right out of the box, comes complete with the bracket, everything you need, all the mounting hardware, no tools, no drill assembly, simply install it and go.
And you can find Lund International products at autopartswarehouse.com. I'm Paul Tapier. Thanks again, Barry, so much.
Thank you.
All right.